A girl, yeah, how you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless of knowing it's selfish, knowing I'm desperate, getting on in it, left falling all over love. I do it till it's last, hanging out the back, all of me you last.
Up, it's your girl Be Legit. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, please click that subscribe button, click that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of these videos that I will be putting out this summer. And if you are a returning subscriber, I hope you have my notifications on because you know we lit, today you guys, I have episode 2 of this Glossy Lid series. I told you guys I was going to start a series doing this, and I shall deliver. And I think I'm going to do 8 in all, guys, so just be on the lookout. Just make sure you subscribe because these looks are about to be popping. Yeah, in the video, at the end of the video, you guys will see me put on some pink lip gloss, but I ended up taking it off because I feel like it was just too much, just way too much. So instead, I put on MAC lip liner in chestnut, and I paired it with this Buxom lip gloss. It's called Fizz. This is like my holy grail. If you've ever seen my lips like this in any of my other videos, that's what I do. I paired the MAC lip liner with this, and then boom, I'm in there. Follow me on all of my social medias. That will be linked down below. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this tutorial. Okay. So, I've already primed my lids with the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I've already put some setting powder on there. So now I'm going to take this LA Color Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Seashell. You can bet on me. Hey, to the top, fuck niggas on my radar watch. Crack a dog on the turn to some data shots. Oh, I got this from Colored Rain. That's the name of the brand. That's the name of the brand. It's Colored Rain in the color Electric Rain. So I'm just gonna place that on my eyelids. Yes, I'm gonna put lipstick on my eyelids. Okay. Okay. Who gonna check me? Nobody. So. Me. I need to set this lipstick, so I'm just gonna set it with some regular schmagula red eyeshadow out of the Morphe 35C palette. I'm gonna use this red right here. Excuse me, please me. Make it a little messy because it's gonna get I'm gonna put eyeshadow on top of it anyway. We're gonna put transition colors on top of it anyway, so it really don't matter. It really don't matter. Really don't matter. Something is really wrong with me. So again, I'm taking that same old red out of the 35C palette, and I'm just gonna brush out those creases with this red, you know. Just, you know, just gonna brush them out, you know. Then I'm gonna get the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna take this yellow out of my Zulu palette. Okay. And I'm just gonna place that. Whoa. It's okay, guys. I'm just gonna place that on top, basically, to help transition it. Let me get this red again and dust it. Then I'm gonna go back into the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna take this orange. I just love the Zulu palette. I just feel like the Zulu palette has great transition colors, especially that yellow and that orange. Like, I keep packing that red on because with the transition color, it tends to get a little lost. You know, a little lost in the sauce. Alrighty, guys. And what I did to the other eye, I got some of that orange out of the Zulu palette, and I just placed it in my inner duct, the inner ducts of my eye. I don't know why I did that, but I did it for the other eye, so I gotta do it for this eye. Then I'm gonna get my regular schmegular lip gloss, you know, got it from the beauty supply store. Not major, not major.
Pop it, perk it, just to start it. Pop it, pop 2 cups of purple, just to warm up. 2 cups, drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drip, drip, whoop, splash. Pop it, perk it, just to start it. Pop it, pop 2 cups of purple, just to warm up. 2 cups, drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drip.
Glossed up or whatever. I'm going to take the Maybelline foundation in the color 360. I'm going to blend it with, mix it with Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340 as well.
Some dollars, I get you the color, now she can't get over me. She wanna dose me, don't just hop in the ghost with me. Ricky and Molly don't fuck with nobody, these bitch and nigga ain't solid. When you get hot, so we're posting the shot of your mama might be up.
Alright, I'm gonna take this concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, of course, in the shade Fawn.
I could have pulled up and just shot you. It's a jungle, I let them survive. Pop it, perk it, just to start it. Pop it, pop 2 cups of purple, just to warm up. 2 cups, drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drink, splash. Slippery, excuse me, please me. Arm up, believe me. Get me, cause I'm flexing Rory's. You can tell me. I rock water, diamonds and dripping, but not slipping through a quarter. Well, damn, but now Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up. 2 cups, drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drink, drink, woo, splash. Pop a perky just to start up. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up. 2 cups, drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drink, drink, woo, splash. Slippery, excuse